Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you try to install any game from Xbox app, now once you click on install on the drive selection screen, now if you see over here it shows unknown available. So if you are facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix this, go ahead and run this command in PowerShell. So you have to go ahead and open PowerShell. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes to allow. Now on this PowerShell window, you have to go ahead and run the first command. So copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Copy it, paste it over here, and then hit the enter key. And if that does not work, if this does not work, you can go ahead and run the second command and then hit the enter key. And once this is complete, go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart. Now after the system restart, you can go ahead and open the Xbox app. Here you can see the pop-up which says this app needs an extra component, that is gaming service. So click on install and this will open Microsoft Store on your computer. Click on yes to allow. Now if you check Microsoft Store, here you can see it's installing gaming service. Now once the gaming services is installed, you can go ahead and open Xbox app and you should not receive that pop-up anymore, and you should be able to install the game without any error message. But still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and make changes in the registry editor. So for this, go ahead and type in registry editor in Windows search box and then click on registry editor, then click on yes to allow. Now expand HKey local machine, then expand system. Now expand current control set. Now over here you have to go ahead and expand services. Now scroll down. Now over here you can see gaming services and gaming service net. So you have to make a right click on gaming services, then click on delete, click on yes to allow, and then make a right click on gaming services net and then again click on delete, click on yes. And once this is done, go ahead and restart your computer. So click on the power icon and click on restart. Now after the system restart, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store. So type in store and then open Microsoft Store and click on this three dot and then click on download and updates. And over here you can go ahead and click on get updates. It should go ahead and install the gaming service once again. If that is not installed, you can open the Xbox app once again. Now over here it should prompt you to install the gaming service once again, and you can go ahead and click on install. In case if you find this pop-up which says having trouble installing or launching game, fix it now. Click on it and over here it will take you to Microsoft page, and over here you can go ahead and run this command once again. And this command is also provided over here. This is the same command. So you can go ahead and copy this command, again open PowerShell and then make a right click and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here, hit the enter key. And once this is done, you can go ahead and go to Microsoft Store once again and click on get updates, or you can go ahead and open Xbox app once again. So actually we have to go ahead and install gaming services once again. So here you can see this app needs extra component, gaming services is needed for playing games. So click on install once again, click on yes to allow, and this should go ahead and install the gaming service once again. And after the gaming service is installed, you can go ahead and try to download your game once again, and you should be able to see your hard drive, and there should not be any issue installing the game. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.